The death toll due to the explosion at the chemical factory in Telangana has now risen to 36. Rescue operations are still underway. As per authorities, 143 people were inside when the blast occurred. It was a massive explosion at the Sigachi chemical factory in Pashlimaram in Sangareddy district. This explosion triggered fire, and as per eyewitnesses, such was the impact of the explosion that workers were tossed in the air and they fell several meters away. The cause of this is yet to be ascertained. Now remember, Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy visited the incident site. He's announced 1 crore rupees ex gratia for the family of the deceased in this particular explosion. An ex gratia of 10 lakh rupees has also been announced for those who are severely injured.
Definitely we will see whatever concerns are there, whatever lapses are there, whatever regulation has to be implemented. We will examine everything. We will take a serious view on those incidents. And at the same time, I have told my people to give 1 lakh for deceased family, death family and injured family, 50,000 for immediate expenditure. Next few days, they cannot go for work or they cannot do anything. That is why I have told my people to give contingency fund from collector to these deceased families 1 lakh and 50,000. And at the same time, I have told my people 1 crore rupees for death families, 10 lakhs rupees major that accident and limited whatever injuries are there for them also 5 lakh rupees, and medical thing government will take care everything. So they need not worry about their medical treatment.
Now, the Chief Minister and Telangana Minister Sridhar Babu came down heavily on the management of the company. They asked, it has been over 24 hours and neither the chairperson nor the director of the company has bothered to visit the incident site. Listen in.
So this is not, you cannot see as an accident. No, company has to think in a way. So more than 24 hours over, no, where is your management, MD, who is the right person? He has to come, no, the major accident taken place in your premises, he has to come, he has to see, he has to visit deceased persons or who is alive. So he cannot avoid the situation, no, he has to come. Ask him to come and meet our district minister and labor and employment minister.
All right, let me go across to my colleague Shomit, who is at the explosion site. He's been tracking all the developments that are taking place there. Shomit, we just heard the Chief Minister lashing out at the chairperson and the director of the company. But as far as the investigation into the cause is concerned, what are you hearing from the authorities? And right now, what is happening there?
Well, right now, we are reporting from the ground zero, and the NDRF, SDRF, police personnel, fire services, they are trying to, carry out the rescue measures. They are trying to remove the debris. So still, the work is going on here on the site, and even Chief Minister, ministers, they have visited the spot, and they have even come down heavily on the company's management, and even the victims are also here. We will try to speak to the victims here. What exactly happened, and the family members are waiting here. So let's ask them. आपके कौन है अभी?
वो मेरा भाई है.
Okay. कुछ बोले आपको? कुछ बोले आपको?
से तो मिलने नहीं देता, तो कोई बात नहीं करने देता है.
आप कहाँ से हैं? आप कहाँ से हैं और आपके कौन थे?
हमारा चाचा का लड़का हमारा भाई था.
ओके.
चाचा का लड़का था. अभी तक हमारा कोई भी डेड बॉडी में अभी तक कोई भी दिखाई नहीं दिया.
ओके.
अभी तक नहीं मिला. उसका आइडेंटिटी कार्ड है हमारा पास. अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं पता चल रहा है उसका.
So he is Lakshmi Mukhia. So one of the workers who was still missing. तो फिर क्या बोले अभी? कोई ऑफिसर कुछ से बात हुई है?
अभी कुछ नहीं बात किया सर. अभी कोई भी बात ही नहीं कर रहा है. किसी से बात करने के लिए जा रहा है तो वो धक्का दे के भगा रहा है.
Okay.
सर.
So basically even family members are here. They have come here asking for their, the whereabouts of the workers who are missing. So one of the family members has just spoken to us, and even others even other family members are also here, standing here. They are demanding for the answers. And what we have, what we have understood from the family members and the witnesses are, few workers are still missing, and even authorities have confirmed that 16 to 17 members are still missing. And Vijay just shown the visuals from here, from the spot. So this is the spot, and we can clearly understand the massive destruction can be seen there. So even the authorities are trying to clear the debris, and we can clearly see even they are using JCBs and proclaimers to clear the debris. And it's very unfortunate incident. Already 36 people, they have lost their lives, and 34 still undergoing treatment at the local hospital, and the authorities are here, and since yesterday the operation is going on, and the whereabouts of 16 to 17 are still unknown, and they are still missing. So family members have gathered here at the site, family members gathered there at the hospital, three different hospitals. The treatment is being provided to the victims.
All right, so rescue operation still underway, of course. Relatives, loved ones looking frantically for their family members as this entire unfortunate tragedy has taken place. But remember, viewers, yesterday the Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed grief over the loss of lives in this explosion. In fact, he also announced financial assistance of 2 lakh rupees for the families of the deceased and 50,000 for those who've been injured. Most of the victims were migrant workers from states such as Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and Odisha. All right, we'll keep getting you more from what has been happening in Telangana, but let's shift off